Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Solana from Coinbase and transfer it to Kucoin in 2025. If you're looking to move your crypto assets between exchanges, this step-by-step tutorial will make it easy and stress-free. First things first, make sure you have a Coinbase account with some Solana in it and a Kucoin account ready to receive the funds. Also, double-check that you have the correct Solana wallet address from Kucoin. Always verify to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to your portfolio. Find Solana in your asset list and click on it. You'll see an option to withdraw. Go ahead and select that. Step 2. Once you're in the withdrawal section, choose Solana as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. You'll need to enter the wallet address from Kucoin. Remember, Solana uses its own blockchain, so make sure you're selecting the Solana network. Don't mix it up with other chains like Ethereum. Step 3. Enter the amount of Solana you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any network fees. They can vary, so check the estimated fee before confirming. After that, review all the details carefully to ensure everything looks correct. Step 4. Hit the confirm button. You'll likely need to verify this through email, SMS, or two-factor authentication for security. Once approved, your Solana will be sent to Kucoin. Finally, hop over to your Kucoin account and check your wallet. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the transaction to show up, depending on network congestion. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Solana from Coinbase to Kucoin in 2025. If you run into any issues, double-check your addresses and fees, and always prioritize security. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. See you next time.